With the ongoing cost of $7.81, Axie limitlessness generally holds its ground in the market in a quite large way. Long-haul examination proposes that Axie endlessness cost might actually flood to $8,404 by 2050, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie boundlessness axis is estimated to really arrive at a typical cost of $16.62 toward the finish of 2025, which certainly is very critical. The cost of one Axie would in every practical sense reach as fundamentally high as $121.75 by 2030. Experts project a bullish pattern for Axie vastness in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $6,387 mark, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Starting around 17 February 2024, Axie endlessness in every practical sense is exchanging at $7.81 in term of its oyster rate, with a value change of 17% in for the most part most recent 60 minutes, which truly is genuinely critical. Axie explicitly has an extremely complete market cap of $1072 and $81.61 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $67 at $12,406, which by and large is very critical. This generally makes Axie endlessness Axie extremely positioning at 67 in the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Axie vastness cost expectation end of 2024, what will Axie boundlessness be exceptionally worth in 2024 in an especially enormous manner? Is Axie boundlessness a by and large wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2024 in an especially huge manner? Will Axie cost truly outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they generally thought? These fundamentally are our Axie limitlessness cost expectations for Axie's future in an unobtrusive manner. Axie boundlessness Axie value expectation 2024 as per the Axie vastness conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Axie value sort of is supposed to truly cross a normal value level of $11.66. The normal in every practical sense, least value worth of Axie limitlessness toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to sort of be $11.25, showing that will Axie cost in a real sense outperform its unsurpassed high, in spite of mainstream thinking. Besides, Axie can by and large arrive at a very greatest value level of $13.47, which generally is very critical. Axie limitlessness Axie value expectation February 2024. With respect to February 2024, Axie endlessness cost is conjectured to truly arrive at an especially the most minimal cost of $7.86 in an unpretentious manner. The Axie cost could fundamentally arrive at an in every way that really matters, greatest cost of $8.84 with the typical expected cost around $8.60, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie vastness Axie value expectation walk 2024. The cost for Axie endlessness in walk 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $8.53 and $9.27, which is very huge. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $8.94 in an especially significant manner. Axie limitlessness value conjecture April 2024 the truly normal cost of Axie boundlessness Axie could explicitly go to $9.12 toward the finish of April 2024 incredibly. Axie could be exchanging around an extremely greatest worth of $9.72 with a kind of least expected cost of $8.79, which is genuinely critical. Axie limitlessness Axie value expectation May 2024. The cost for Axie boundlessness in May 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $8.89 and $10.17, while the essentially normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $9.30, showing that these especially are our Axie limitlessness cost expectations for Axie's future in an unobtrusive manner. Axie boundlessness value estimate June 2024. In June 2024, the fundamentally most extreme cost for Axie endlessness could in a real sense stretch around $0.64 in a sort of significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Axie in June 2024 essentially is $9.35 with a truly normal cost of $9.67, or so they certainly thought. Axie boundlessness value expectation July 2024. Axie endlessness cost generally is supposed to generally reach between $9.65 to $11.12 in July 2024, while the especially normal cost of Axie for the July stays around $10.06 Axie vastness value figure August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Axie limitlessness especially is supposed to be at around an especially least of $10.03. Axie vastness cost can basically arrive at an especially limit of $11.63 with the genuinely normal cost of $10.36 in a truly significant way. Axie endlessness Axie value gauge September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of Axie boundlessness generally is fundamentally anticipated to essentially arrive at a truly normal cost of 10.67, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of $0.14 and an in every way that really matters, least of 10.35, in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie vastness acts value figure October 2024. The Axie boundlessness acts cost for October 2024 may explicitly arrive at a sort of least worth of 10.69, while the especially greatest squadge cost especially is around $12.57, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The genuinely normal cost for Axie especially is basically anticipated to reach $11.10 in October 2024 in an in every practical sense significant way. Axie value conjecture November 2024. The Axie boundlessness figure for November 2024 expects that the Axie may for the most part arrive at an especially greatest worth of 13.1 with a base cost of around 10.91, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Discussing the very normal value Axie can explicitly stretch around $11.32 for November in a very significant manner. Axie limitlessness value estimate December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Axie endlessness basically is supposed to truly be at around an exceptionally least of $11.25, which truly is genuinely huge. Axie vastness cost can especially arrive at a very limit of $13.47 with a very normal cost of $11.66 in USD, so Axie boundlessness acts for the most part is estimated to generally arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $16.62 toward the finish of 2025. Axie vastness sort of past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been for the most part diminished by 397% in its certainly current worth in an in every way that really matters huge way. In the event that we look at the truly current market cap of the Axie with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap essentially is likewise down in an in every practical sense huge way. From essentially most recent 7 days, the Axie truly was in every practical sense great vertical pattern and expanded by 597% in a truly significant manner. Axie endlessness fundamentally has shown areas of strength for extremely of potential recently, and this could be by and large great chance to dive right in and really put resources into an essentially enormous way explicitly. Axie limitlessness value estimate 2024 facts. What will be Axie vastness genuinely worth in 2024, which sort of is very huge. The Axie cost in a real sense is gauged to fundamentally arrive at a most extreme degree of $13.47 with truly least cost of $11.25 toward the finish of 2024. Does Axie boundlessness really have a future, which truly is genuinely huge? As far as value, Axie limitlessness sort of has an exceptional kind of potential to arrive at new levels in an unpretentious manner generally. It sort of is conjecture that Axie will increment in esteem, or so they sort of thought.